everyone, and welcome back to Feature Highlights on PeepSo TV channel. I'm your host Sinisha, and today we are going to take a deeper look at advanced ads and PeepSo integration for it. Advanced ads, as the name says, serves to manage ads on your website, and it's absolutely free plugin. You don't have to pay anything for it. There is, however, a freemium model where you have paid add-ons that you can buy on this page over here, and you can see everything that is included in it. But for the purposes of this video, we are only going to use free features, so you don't have to shell out any additional money. Okay, so without out of the way, let's try to set up advanced ads and PeepSo integration together. Obviously, first thing to do is to install the needed plugins. So go back to the dashboard of your website and then plugins, add new. Search for advanced ads. Come on, advanced ads over here in the keyword, and the first result will be shown. Click on install now and wait for the plugin to be downloaded and installed. Once it is, activate the plugin. If this is the first time you install this plugin, there will be, most likely there will be some kind of a wizard over here asking you to set up or create your first ad. Just ignore it and close that window. Now go to PeepSo installer. Wait for the license to be checked and find the Advanced Ads Monetization Integration plugin. Install it. And activate it. Now we have two additional plugins added to our website. Let's check them out. Advanced Ads and PeepSo Monetization Advanced Ads. Now go to PeepSo Configuration and find this new tab, Advanced Ads, open it, and let's enable PeepSo ad placement after one post. What this option means is simply we are going to show an ad after the first post, or maybe if you want after the third post. Let's save after the third post. And now after the third post, so first post, second, third, after this post we will have an ad, okay? That is what this option will do. So let's change it after the first post, save the settings, and repeat every, let's say 4 posts. Simply means that in this configuration, first ad will be displayed after the first post, and let's change it to 3. After each 3 posts, a new ad will be displayed. So first post, then the ad, then 1, 2, 3 posts, an ad, 1, 2, 3 posts, then an ad, and so on. For now, I'm going to disable this option. I'm going to enable it back on later. Okay? Now go here in Advanced Ads, Groups, and Rotation. Now, why is this ad group and rotations important? Well, if you're just going to have one ad on your website, this is probably not the option you're going to be interested in. But if you're going to have, let's say, hundreds of ads, it's always a good thing to group them into a specific group. So let's add the new ad group, and we are going to call this group PeepSo Stream Ads. Okay, save this group, and now we are going to assign all the ads into this group, and it will be easier for us later on to find them and say, aha, this one is in the PeepSo stream ads group, and it's supposed to be shown in the activity stream. But for that to happen, we also need to add placements. So click on the placements here and find the PeepSo stream. Okay. Choose a name for this placement. It will only be visible to you, so don't worry. We are going to name it PeepSo stream ads, and the ad group that we created earlier is going to be PeepSo stream ads. Save the new placement. So now all of the ads added to this group, PeepSo stream ad, will be placed in the PeepSo stream ads by default. Okay, let's save that placement once again. Before creating our first ad, let's go back to groups and rotation, edit this group, and make sure that visible ads is set to 1. It should be there by default. Now let's go and create a new ad. To do that, simply click on Ads and choose the PeepSo stream ad. Okay. Immediately you will see that this form changed. So let's upload the avatar by clicking on the change, and the avatar is simply this little image in the stream over here. So click on change. You can either upload your own files or use the files from media library. I'm going to use this cropped icon from my media library. Insert. Title override. If nothing is provided, the general ad title will be used. We don't want that. We want to have a nice title. So it will be let's say something like that. Content. Image of the ad is going to be relevant to our ad. And here we are going to put the URL where this image is going to lead when clicked. So click on next and then save. And here in the ad group and rotations, we are going to add this ad into PeepSo stream ads and update it. Now let's check our community page and see what happened on the activity stream. Here it is. So remember how we set up the ad to show here in the advanced ads, to show after the first post and then don't repeat at all. So that's exactly what happened. So this is the first post, and here is our ad after the first post. Let's try to change this after the 5th post and see how will that affect our homepage. So first post, second post, third, fourth, fifth, and then there's an ad. Okay, so let's change back to the one post over here. Sponsored marker simply means that sponsored content label is going to be shown. So let's enable that with switching on this option and leave this text as is. You can change it to anything you want really. So let's refresh this page. And here it is, the sponsored content, right? You can do some minor customization with this ad. Let's see it by going into the ads, then edit. You can change the position of the content, for example. Let's try it here. Update it. Refresh the page. And you won't really see the change because default content is exactly as the one we chose. But if I choose this one, for example, where the content will be in the middle, and update my ad, refresh this page, you can immediately see the change, right? There it is. There are also some advanced options for styling of the ads. Let's revert it back to default. And here you can play with the margins or add a container ID. Let's call it add1 and update it. So now when you go to the activity stream and see this ad, let's inspect the element. There it is. You see that this ID is wrapped around the entire ad, and you can add, I don't know, maybe borders or stuff like that. You can style it in a different way that you like. But these are the advanced features, so if you don't know CSS, I strongly suggest you not to do that. Display only once is one of those pro features that I mentioned in the beginning, where you need to pay for to display the ad only once. Okay, and let me show you how that is useful. So if I only have this one ad, and in the configuration advanced ads, I say that post is going to be repeated every 3 posts. Save the settings and reload the page. Because I only have one ad on this website, it will be repeated every 3 posts, like this. So yeah, this is a bit of a problem, right? So repeating the same ad after every 3 posts is kind of boring. So you can either tackle it by disabling this, go to ads and edit, and if you have the pay option, you can display this ad only once per page. Okay, but this is the paid add-on. If you scroll a little bit more down, you can see these display conditions that are more useful for the ads that are going to be displayed on pages, not on the activity stream. So you can condition the ad display based on categories, content age, post type, and stuff like that. We are more interested in visitor conditions over here, where I can say, let's display this ad to, I don't know, only females that are younger than or older than 18 years old. And I can do that. I can simply choose a condition here and say PeepSo profile gender. And I'm going to say is a female. And I'm going to add another condition and say that PeepSo profile age is more than 18. What did I do just now? I set this ad to display only to females that are older than 18 years old. So let's check it out. Update this page, and this user is obviously a male. If we go to his profile, about, it doesn't even have a gender, so let's change it to male. And now if I go to the community, I will not be able to see any ads over here, right? So let's quickly go switch to this user. She is obviously a female. Let's check her profile. She is a female, born February 1975, which is obviously older than 18 years old. So when I go to the community, I will see this ad over here because we said display the ad to females that are older than 18 years old. Let's remove all of these conditions. So the ad is going to be displayed to everyone. Okay. To save up some time, I will now go offline and add additional or more ads by simply going to advanced ads, then add new, choosing the PeepSo stream ad, changing the avatar, giving it the title, content, image, and URL, and then add it to the PeepSo stream ads group. Okay? Okay, so I created a few ads and they all have this silly little title over here that I can simply quick edit and change to, let's say, Formula 1 tickets, which will simply help me to recognize the ad easier. Let's quick edit this one to luxury watches. Update, quick edit, and update. Okay, now I have an easily recognizable name for my ads, which will become important very soon. But first, let's see what happens on the activity stream with these three ads. So there's the watches ad. Once again, watches ad. And the headphones ad. Now, why is this? Why is this watch showing 2 times per single page? Remember when we created this ad, luxury watches, or let's choose the one I actually created here. Display only once is the pro feature, so you will actually need to buy additional plugin from advanced ads in order to display the ad only once per page. So sorry about that, but this simply is not a free feature. You can try to fiddle with groups and rotations. As you can see here, if you go to edit, there is this weight option, which simply is the fancy term for importance of the ad. So if I say, let's say these Formula 1 tickets have importance or weight of 1, and luxury watches also have a weight of 1, but headphones have a weight of 10, and update these groups, now I'll see that the headphones ad will dominate my stream because it's the most important ad, right? It's shown 2 times and Formula 1 is shown only once. Likewise, if I want to change the Formula 1 ticket to be most predominant ad, I will update the groups like this. So Formula 1 tickets is now on top and headphones and luxury watches are less important. Refresh the page and headphones, but the Formula 1 will be shown 2 times most likely. Yeah, there it is, right? So once again, you can kind of influence what ads will be displayed by changing the weight. But if you want to show the ad only once per page, you will actually need to have to go and buy additional add-ons from advanced ads. Okay, before I wrap up this video, I want to discuss two more important things. First of them is that advanced ads is very powerful plugin, and you do not necessarily have to publish your ads only in the activity stream. You can publish them all over your website, in the sidebars, header. You can even turn your ad into a shortcode and display it wherever you want if you know how to override templates for your theme. So let me show you how to create a new ad by going into Advanced Ads, then Add New, and immediately the Advanced Ads is asking you what type of ad you want to create. Let's first give it a title. Let's call it Sidebar Ad because we are going to display this ad in the sidebar, and it's going to be an image. Select an image either from media library or uploading your own files. Insert the image, give the link to where this ad is going to go and click next and save the ad. Now Advanced Ads is asking us where do we want to display this ad. Like I said, there are many positions that you can choose and even turn it into a shortcode, put it manually in the header, or if you use the paid add-ons for Advanced Ads, you can unlock more positions. But for now, I know that I want to display this ad in the sidebar, so I'm going to click on Manage Sidebar. Find the sidebar I want to display this ad in, either left or right. In my case, it will be right. Click on the plus icon, and if you immediately don't see this widget, simply search for it. Select it, and now the widget is asking us what do we want to display in it. You can display the entire ad group if you want, but I didn't do that for this particular ad, so I'm just gonna select our sidebar ad that I just created, update the widgets, and check out our homepage is showing the new ad that we just created. The second thing I want to show is the targeting system available in the ads. So let's quickly open the Formula One tickets ad. And if you remember, just a few minutes ago, we created this ad to be shown only to females that are older than 18 years. But you can do so much more than that. There are conditions based on the PeepSo VIP icon, group memberships, friends, amount of friends, and your profile fields. By default, you will only have profile age and profile gender, and if you want to extend it, you can create a new single select or multiple select fields and use them as a targeting option or condition. So let me quickly demonstrate how some of those work. For example, if I have this ad and I want it to be displayed only to people that have more than 5 friends, I will do it like this. Or less than 5 friends, you'll get the gist of it, right? So in this particular case, the ad will be displayed only to those people that do not have a friends or have less than 5 friends. So you can display an ad that is showing an intro page of your website because these are all the new users that do not have friends, and maybe you can show them the tutorial how to add more friends or stuff like that, right? So let's disable this. Check what are the other options. PeepSo group membership. on this particular website, I only have 2 groups, but if you have more, they will be listed here. I have car groups and motorbike group. If I want this ad to be displayed only to the members of the car group on my website, which makes sense, this is after all a Formula 1 ticket race, I can target this specific group and say, show this ad only to this group. Or I can say it is not a member of motorbike group. So if I have more groups, but I want to show this ad to everyone except those people in the motorbike group, I will do it like this. And finally, you have an option to target the people based on the VIP icon. Let's choose this verified icon number 1. And now the ad is going to be displayed only to those people that have this verified icon. How is this useful, you might say? Because icons are added manually in PeepSo. If you followed our previous videos where we discussed the Paid Membership Pro, you could learn that icons could be added automatically based on the membership. So Paid Memberships Pro will allow you to create a different kind of memberships, and if you want, assign the verified or VIP icons automatically to that memberships. So what could you set up is to have a free membership which do not assign the icon automatically, and then create a paid membership which will get the icon assigned automatically. So let's say you have a free membership without an icon and paid membership with an icon. You can set this ad to show only those people that are not having verified icon 1, and we will immediately see how you can incentivize your people to actually purchase the memberships on your paid membership on your website, because they will see no ads in this particular case, right? See how everything is interconnected. To make things even more difficult and more crazy, you can use all of these options, right? So I'm going to select all of them and create a completely crazy demographic, which is, it has a verified icon. It is a teacher in the profile field that I added manually. It's older than, I don't know, 18 years old. It has 3 friends. This is the duplicate, okay? So you can really go crazy with the targeting system and target the specific demographic that you want to display your ad to. And this will work for all kinds of ads. It's not only limited to PeepSo Stream ads, but the targeting system will work on all of the ads published on your website, right? All right, so that concludes everything I had prepared for you in this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to smash that bell notification icon to be notified whenever new video comes out. Also, follow us on social media. Until the next video, I wish you all the best with your website. Bye!